Hello, Professor P from PepLink again to tell you a story about Sarah. Sarah is a lawyer, and at her firm, her team uses video conferencing and phone calls to conduct their daily business. She also has guest Wi-Fi so her clients can have internet access. If the internet fails, her team, phone calls, and clients all lose connectivity, interrupting important work and meetings. So Sarah calls PepLink and asks how she can make sure her business and clients can stay connected even when their internet fails. Understanding the weight of the issue, I introduced the Balance 310 5G. The Balance 310 5G has a built-in 5G modem and SFC Protect bonding service. This means her phone calls, video conferencing, and mission-critical business applications stay up even when her primary internet fails. With SFC Protect, her applications will seamlessly fail over to 5G without any interruption to her video conferencing or phone calls. Because of the extra bandwidth provided by 5G, Sarah's team and clients stay connected. Once Sarah's primary internet is restored, everything seamlessly fails right back. What's really cool about SFC 5G and SFC Protect bonding service is that she only pays for what she actually uses. No more expensive monthly costs for a backup solution that she might need. Now, Sarah feels confident in her connectivity because she can ensure that her team and clients will stay connected without any downtime, all while saving money. So be like Sarah and get the Balance 310 5G from PepLink.